Welcome to the Inline 10 Stage Plus filtration system by New Wave Enviro Products. Our Inline 10 Stage Plus filter eliminates chlorine, organic contaminants, lead, and more. Are you ready to get great tasting, super filtered cold water with just 2 connections? I'll show you how. Included in the box is a filtration system, a wrench, and a detailed instructions for an easy to do it yourself installation. Before you begin, have a Phillips head screwdriver or drill, pliers, a small container, and a pencil handy. First things first, let's find the best spot for this under the sink. When looking for a good installation location, make sure there is enough space for the filter housing to come apart to give you easy access to change the filter cartridge later on. We recommend clearing out any clutter from under the sink during the installation to give you space to work. Place a towel and container along the bottom of the installation location to catch any stray water. This spot looks great! Put the bracket against the side of the cabinet so the filter housing hangs a few inches above the floor of the cabinet. I marked the holes with my pencil. Then take the screw and make a pilot hole. This makes it so you don't have to hold the filter up while you work. Now set the filter and bracket in place and secure the bracket to the side. Make sure that the fit is snug but not over tight. Now for the fun stuff. Unhook the line connected to the cold water supply valve and leave the other end attached to the faucet. On the filter housing, there is a brass output mark out. Attach the cold water line you just removed from the valve to the output. This line will run directly from your filter to your faucet. Next, attach the white tube from the filter input to the cold water supply line valve. Push the hose over the metal piece and move the fitting down. Then tighten the brass fitting. New Wave recommends tightening with pliers or an adjustable wrench to minimize chances of a leak. And that's it, so simple and quick. You did it! Fresh filter cold water every time you turn on your faucet. So healthy and refreshing.